Now we are going to see how we are going to index into cell arrays, how we are going to index the cell arrays. Cell arrays are not MATLAB. Cell array is just like another data type like MATLAB. MATLAB, you write everything. Matrix, you write everything in square brackets, right? But in cell array, you write everything in within curly brackets, okay? So see here, you have a cell array regions, and regions is having South America, Europe, Argentina, England, Italy, and Netherlands. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 cell array. Okay, and you see here it has a cell array inside the cell array. See, when you use simple spaces, it is of the same row. So South America and Europe are in the same row. Okay, when you give a semicolon, it will come to next row. The next row you see Argentina is the first element, followed by again one more cell array. This cell array contains England, Italy, and Netherlands. So in the description you see South America, Europe, Argentina is coming. Here you have one more 3 cross 1 cell. So it is a cell array within a cell array. Okay. Create a 2 by 1 cell array using column 1 containing the first column of regions. So how will you do that? I'm going to create a cell array named call1 by using the first columns of. When you say all the first columns, creating the first column means you have to take all the rows. Accessing elements, right? So regions of in the rows, I'll give 4 and 4 indicates all the rows come off first column. You'll see the answer. Yes. Okay. South America, Argentina. Is it clear? The accessing elements is very simple. I am see here the requirement is first column I need. So all the rows means colon, comma, first column. That is simple. Now see here, extract the content from the second row and second column of regions into a variable named EC. So EC equal to regions of second row and second column. Note that this cell of regions contains another cell array, hence EC will be a 3 by 1 array. We'll submit and see whether this extraction is correct. No, EC is not correct. It is another cell array, but EC is the normal variable. So what you should do when you are going to extract another cell array, what we have written is correct. This is one normal element, but this 2 by 2 is again another cell array, right? So you have to put curly brackets. Here, I think this is the common mistake we do. When you have a cell array within a cell array, accessing that cell array should be done by using a curly bracket. Normal elements, square, normal parenthesis. Please be very clear on that. No more confusions. Okay. Replace the second element in EC with Spain. EC is having 3 elements, England, Italy, and Netherlands. I'm going to replace the second element in Spain, second element in EC with Spain. So when you're going to update something, I told you, you have to use the square curly parenthesis. I'll just see here, I'm just writing EC of 2 equal to Spain. I'm using normal bracket. We'll see whether the answer is correct. This is not correct because see the conversion error we will have. So when you use curly bracket, your job becomes simple. England, Spain, Netherlands. I have updated the second element of the cell array. You can add an element to a cell array by indexing with curly brackets. Add Wales to the end of the list, resulting in 4 by 1 array. So simple. The EC of this is actually 3 by 1, correct? So if you add a fourth element means it will become a 4 rows, and so 4 comma 1 equal to Wales. Is this correct? We'll check. Yes, see here it is added. When you are accessing a single element, normal brackets. When you are accessing a cell array inside a cell array, curly brackets. When you are updating elements, surely you have to use only this one. You have to use only curly brackets.